So NFTs, you buy the JPEG and that's it. You buy the JPEG and wait for up only season. The most common question is you buy the JPEG and that's it. Well, you can use it as collateral for a loan while you wait for, obviously, up only season. Actually, before we get into this video, as someone suggested, 2 claps and a Ric Flair, woo! Let's do this. What is up, NFT explorers? Mike Damazo here to help you navigate through the metaverse as your no-shill resource. For this video, let's talk about tools and resources to help you out on your NFT journey. Well, this one in particular we're talking about is NFTify. So exactly what is NFTify? It allows you to put your NFTs up as collateral for a loan or offer loans to other users on their NFTs. To keep it super simple, you put up your NFT either with terms you're looking for or terms that are offered to you. So you have the choice to accept those terms. Now, NFTify isn't, just a brand new company jumping into the NFT craze. NFTify started back in February 2020. As more mainstream adoption comes to NFTs, this is one that you want to keep an eye on, especially with Coinbase announcing NFTs on their platform. You have to reimagine how it is produced and look and define that ownership in this digital landscape. A new category that will come out of this will be from NFTify. They are one of the products out there that's serving us all this alpha with laser focus to help this new emerging economy. So what's the best case and worst case scenario for someone using their NFT as a collateral? Let's think about this. First, the best case is you didn't have to paper hand your NFT for liquidity and you pay back that loan. You didn't have to sell off like a cool cat to get into the metaverse. Worst case scenario is the borrower defaults, aka you didn't pay back that loan and you lose your NFT that you put up. Now, for the worst and best case for the lender, it is you get the NFT at the cost of the ETH you loaned. Best case is you get the ETH back with interest on top. So it's a win-win scenario, and I like that about NFTify. This is all done through the smart contract from NFTify. They don't hold any of your NFTs. You aren't borrowing an NFT that you're using as collateral. You're using it, they have it on escrow and everything. And you could even see in your OpenSea account or the person that's lending you that ETH. It's all accessible through their platform, and a lot of conversation and insight goes down in their Discord. So how do you use NFTify? It's easy, and here is a screen recording with a voiceover with me interacting on their platform. All right, so we're here. We start off in the NFTify website. Once you're there, you could select either to lend, collateral, loans and offers, borrow, assets, loans and offers, and different stats. So let's go through each one. My account's already connected. It's easy to sign up for it. For lending, in this section right here, this is where you'll see all the different NFTs available. Now, it's not every single NFT. That would be insane and crazy. It is NFTs that they have whitelisted. So Art Blocks being one of the biggest ones that they've whitelisted, Axie Infinity. As you could clearly see earlier, there was a Bored Ape Yacht Club that was available as well. World of Woman, just to name a few items that's on there. So we'll go to Bored Ape Yacht Club. And it'll show like these are all the NFTs that's up and listed. So if I wanted to provide some liquidity to that individual, I could check exactly what terms they're looking for. Specifically, this one being 10 wrapped ETH over 30 days, and they'll list it. They listed it already, so you could select and see all the different types that's over there. One of the highest, maybe just off top, just 100,000 DAI. And I guess let's go to this first one. That's what they're looking for. So I could make my offer here with saying, hey, I could give you 10 ETH. Obviously I don't have enough. I have 0.5 that's wrapped right now, and you could put the duration 90 days, 30 days, whichever case it is. So they only wanted 10, and you could put the APR on how much you want to make by lending them that wrapped ETH. So if you wanted to make 100%, you could just put it there. You could easily change it up as well and put, hey, I'm gonna lend you 10 wrapped ETH, I want 11 back. Basically, you just want 1 ETH back after you lend it to them. Here are the current offers they have. So as you can clearly tell, this individual already has offers that they are requesting with the 30-day duration and the 10 wrapped ETH, and the repayment is only 37% APR. Let's look at the loans. So this person has repaid the loan before. They borrowed for 30 days, 5 ETH and 10% APR. So they're very well aware of, you know, hey, there's probably someone out there that will lend me under 9. Oh, see this one right here? They'll probably accept this offer if they haven't seen it already. Let's go to the next one with loans. So loans as a lender, that's if I was going to provide liquidity for this ape and they accept that, you would see that there. And just different offers that I've made. I haven't made any yet. Currently, the only thing I've done is put up some NFTs, and I borrowed some liquidity there just to check it out and try it out. So right here, these are the borrows. These are the different ones that I have in my account. For art blocks, currently I have an art box factory that I listed up, and I'm not looking for any specific desired terms. I just put it up, see what I'll get. And then the different offers right now is, okay, I'll let you get 0.36 wrapped ETH for 14 days at 50% APR. If I want to accept, I can clearly click it right there. And let's go to loans. So currently was the one that I mentioned earlier. Its current status is in escrow. I borrowed 0.5 for 14 days, and it's due back on the 31st of October. Excuse me, sorry about that one, just random noise. We can check our account. So you can see my address, different loans that I have right now, and my assets that I have posted up. So this is just all of my wallet. Clearly it's not all of them, I could put up as collateral because, well, not that one's a horrible example. This one's not whitelisted yet. So if you do want to request one that's whitelisted, say you have doodles that you want to put up for collateral, you could go into their Discord and request out whitelisting. The other cool thing about this is any offers you get, you'll get an email about it, and you could just click through the notifications icon and see the different offers you're getting, such as the one yesterday that I got at 0.36 ETH and the APR of 50%. So it just breaks it down to 95. This one was repaying 869. So it'll just only show how much you have when you're wrapped ETH. And that's pretty much it. It's super simple to use. Just signing up, put your assets up. We could even use one as an example. Treeverse. I don't think they have that available yet. Oh, they do now. Okay. So as I was monitoring it, it wasn't showing before, so we could put this up for collateral. I'm just doing this for video purposes. So obviously you'll grant the permission, pay the gas. Gas isn't that cheap. I mean, it's lower than usual, but after it's all approved, you just sign it and then it'll be, let's go here. Then it'll show you, it'll show that you have it available for collateral. And that's pretty much it. Super simple. I love that they have the notifications available for you, so you know exactly what offers you're getting and when you have your loan that's due up. I could pay off the loan already. I'm just kind of waiting it out. On the stats, it shows you how the statistics for the top NFTs, users, and loans on the NFTify. Currently, right now, Art Blocks 2, BAYC, and Rap CryptoPunks is the most ones that people put in, what the biggest loans were, and the top lenders. The same with DAI, same information. Obviously, it looks like more Rap CryptoPunks are being used for collaterals and being paid with DAI in the top borrowers. So yeah, that's a good way to get a sense of like, okay, well, I need some liquidity. I don't want to lose my NFT. If I have a BAYC that I needed to put up for collateral because I need some wrapped ETH, which I'll convert to ETH, you could easily use NFTify to help you out with that. A couple of things that I can see them doing is implementing one with Flow and Dapper later down the line, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so overall thoughts with NFTify. It's definitely worth checking out if you need liquidity for your NFTs and you don't want to lose that NFT. And it is set on terms you put out and also terms that you choose to accept. So sure, there will be a lot of offers out there that has high APRs for you to pay back that ETH that you borrowed, but you don't have to accept that. It is a great entry if you need ETH at the moment, but the biggest thing is to make sure you pay it back because you don't want to lose your NFT that you put up as a collateral for say 10 ETH because you wanted to put up your Bored Ape in a way. And also blending out ETH, it's a great way to generate yield on those ETH that you lent out. I'd be interested to see how NFTify develops in the future. They were definitely super helpful with any questions I had and even took the time out of their day to answer and get on a video call showing me their platform. So between Build-A-Bear or Chicago Bull, I'm extremely bullish on NFTify and look forward to the development and what it will do in the future. Tap that thumbs up and hit the like button because it definitely helps us out with the YouTube algorithm so it could be seen by other NFT explorers. Sound off below with what you think about being able to use your NFT as collateral. Is it a yay or a nay? Let me know below. Subscribe if you haven't already and check out my other videos on the latest with NFTs. Stay legendary and I'll see you in the metaverse.